Welcome all. Nowadays, digital marketing is not restricted to your creativity and the keywords. Before we implement digital marketing, we should have the clear concept of it, fundamentals of digital marketing working, how it is working, where it is working, how we can ensure that the maximum productivity from minimum digital marketing effort. We can use AI where in digital marketing. I'm Shivanand Chaudhary, transformation educator, trying to simplify the complexity of technology is my passion. Let us start the module 1 using beautiful block diagrams for better and clarity of the concept. In digital consumer journey, the consumer or the advertiser will link to each other using the awareness campaigning or awareness aspect of digital marketing. What exactly? What is the brand? What products we have? What concept we have? What services we have? That is what awareness of the services or product reaching out to the maximum consumers. Let the consumer to consider it, which product to buy, why to buy. Is it essential for me or not? Then consumer will decide, the client will decide, customer will decide whether to buy this or not. If I have to buy, let us buy this. Decision stage, then purchase. We buy it, then we see what is the effect, what is the experience after purchase, post purchase, negative or positive. So in this journey of digital consumer, we have to ensure our digital marketing is fetching into these stages well and appropriately. How it is possible in this technology? Before we start the digital marketing, we have to have the website or app of our organization or entity or the product or the services. We should have the website or app as per our requirement of the entity or requirement of the business, requirement of the promotion. This website or app can be developed using various applications like WordPress. We can use Wix development platform, or you can use code-based PHP, Streamlit, or HTML. And then once we are done with our website, then we have to have our website domain name. It can be done parallelly. Website domain name is the name that we have to obtain from the cloud, that the name will be assigned to our website, say xyz.com. That xyz.com is available in the internet, in the cloud or not, because it has got its own domain, it has got its own network. So we have to ensure that our domain name or whatever the website name we are providing or willing to provide is available or not. If it is available, then we have to register it. We have to buy it. We can buy it from GoDaddy or Hostinger or Google. So many service providers are there who can register our domain name. And based on the availability, we can have xyz.com or xyz.org or xyz.in. So many options are there based on the entity or the organization or the company that we are dealing with. We have to obtain the domain name. Once the domain name is obtained, and we have to link this website address, website name with the domain name, and then we have to store it in a place called hosting platform. We can host it in the same place where we have purchased it, the domain name, maybe GoDaddy, Hostingers, or Google. So many service providers are there. Or we can have the separate platform, one platform for domain name, another platform for hosting platform, based on the pricing, because they charge for it. Based on the pricing, we can choose the domain name as well as the hosting platform. Even domain names, some of the organizations are providing free of cost where they charge little bit for hosting. Some of them are giving hosting free and they charge little bit for domain name. Once we are designed our website linked with our domain name, say xyz.com, we have obtained the name and hosted. But in this phase, we have to obtain a DNS configuration of it. There's a technical implementation in it. So DNS configuration is nothing but it will transfer, it will change your website name into one specific terminology or specific concept which is called IP address. We are giving the name of our website, say xyz.com. But in internet, the xyz.com will are not implemented, will not executed. XYZ will convert into one number, binary number, a specific unique number, which we call IP or Internet Protocol Addressing System. IP4 is there, IP6 is there, because every website, every terminal, if it is public, if it is in internet, if it is in cloud, it has to have some kind of IP addressing. So DNS configuration will link one IP address to our website name. There is a process of registering it. Once the IP address, which we call it public IP address, that public IP address will be assigned to our website, and then the public IP address will link to our website, and it will be propagated to all the servers across the world. And then we have to check using website like dnschecker.org whether my public IP is now really populated to all the websites, all the servers hosting uh, DNS, because we have number of websites, number of DNS numbers, and number of servers. Those are only for this connectivity, only for this transformation from IP address to website name or domain name and domain name to IP addresses. Once we check that our IP is now completely propagated to all the servers, then we have to register our website in different search engine like Google search engine or Microsoft Bing search engine. Other search engines are also there. And then we have to ensure that our website is really registered in these engines. Why these engines? Our website is now having a domain name and it is connected to DNS and it is available in the cloud. If I want to access the website, then I can access the website typing the website name, and backend it will convert the website domain name to IP, and then it will take you to the server, and then you can see the website pages. But how we can promote our website if someone is not knowing our name of the website? How we can promote? So in internet cloud, such engines are playing greater role in promoting our website, maybe locally, maybe state-wise, maybe nation-wise, maybe across the world. We are always using Google search engine. In that way, typing, I want a training center nearby my place. And it will give you the list of training centers in your town or which all are nearby your place from where you are searching. You will get first page, second page, third page. Each page will have some 10 to 20 listing. Number of institutions are there nearby. How it is coming? That we will see in the next slide. But once our website is registered in These search engines, maybe it is Google search, maybe it's Bing, then how it is going to promote our website is the next phase. We can also register in our different web directories like Yellow Page Online, Just Dial web portal. We can register so that it will also embed into the search engine and we can promote our website or app easily. How this is going to be done? Let us use AI here extensively. Let us use AI in developing our website. Developing our website in such a way that the search engine will prioritize our website. It will list our website on the top. Extensive use of AI is really helping us in developing the website. It may be WordPress, it may be Wix, or it may be code. There is a large amount of AI intervention in developing the website. How it is, let us see in the next slide. Our website should have many components. It should match to the search engines searching processes, which we call algorithm. Our website should have good content. It should have number of good pages. It should be mobile friendly. It should have some high level security. It should have some original content, and it should be easily identifiable, and it should be friendly, and it should have its own images and videos organized in a better way. So many things are there when we are developing website or app, that all that are to be considered. Then only our website or app will be proper for the website promotion or search engine promotion. How it is going to be? Our website is now established, registered in, say, Google search or Microsoft Bing. Once it is registered, what this engine will do, it will use its own processes of identifying your website and storing in their respective database. And the process of identifying your website and registering in their database for future search, future use of search is called algorithm. It has got its own algorithm, means it has got in its own process of identifying the website and ranking it. How it is? Once you register, it will try to crawl your website. It will see your website, what type of content it has, whether it is unique or not, how the wordings are, how the design is, how the headings are, how the pages are, how the pages are linked to each other, how technically it is competitive. So many things are there which we need to consider at the time of developing the website. Then it will start crawling. Crawling means it will see the entire website page wise page and see that whether it is matching my algorithm or not. Once it is crawled and it is matching the engine's algorithm, it will index it. It will store in its own database. Indexing means it will give some kind of numbering to it. It will point it in their databases that this website having this IP address and this is the content, and they have their own schema of indexing, and based on that it will be stored. Once it is indexed, and if the website content and website entire development is matching their processes, matching their algorithm, it will rank it. Once it is ranked, the people those are searching will get the result of your website. If the website is matching the algorithm search engine, then it will list you in the first page of search engine, or it may list you first page, or it may put you in the last page of the search content. Say it is displaying some 200 pages. Some of the website you can see on the first page, first line, but some of the website you can see on the 10th page. Why? Because there is a gap between the algorithm. There is a gap between in promoting our website, matching the algorithms. This is what the very normal and natural process of promoting our website, which is very, very essential. And we'll see how it is essential, how it can be executed in the next slide. Once it is registered in Google, say for, and we can go to Google search, use your email ID. There is a process of registering it. Very simple process. We have to enter the username. We have to name the password for our username and then enter the website, and it will search the website. After searching the website, if the website is really completed with the DNS check, then it will register in Google Search Console. Once it is registered, you can see the page like this. This is the page you can see. And I have registered for one company, demo website, aichange.com. You can see the overview, the performance of our website. Then you can see the pages, you can videos, sitemaps, removable. So many things are there which we can track where and how Google search engine has crawled our pages, how it has indexed it, how it is ranking us, and what is the problem. If there is any issue, then it will definitely identify and it will say that this issue is restricting the web search engine to index it. This is a process which we learn at the later stage at the module 2. But once we register our website in Search Console, we can see what is that and how it is performing. In the same way, we can also use the different pages, how our different pages of the website is promoting, whether it is really identified, indexed by website, by the engine or not. If it is indexed, it will show you, yes, it is indexed. If it is not indexed, it will show you 15. That means the the search engine is not matching its algorithm to the website, hence 15, or say here it is showing 15 web pages are not indexed but 9 are indexed. That means 9 are matching its algorithm and it has indexed, and 15 are to be investigated. So we can get the preliminary information of the performance of our website using this. Similarly, we can use Microsoft Bing. There also we can register in the same way. Once you have registered in Google, it is very easy to register in Webmaster Tools of Microsoft. The same way, it will also give you the performance of your website or app. This is the preliminary analysis of the website, how it is working, and then see what is that problems we have in the website, why it is not indexing, why it is not promoting. So all that is having a huge process of execution that we'll see in the module 3. What is the next that we need to consider here? What is that we have to make so that our website or app will promote in a natural way? Once the website is ready or the app is ready, then we have to consider some kind of design and some kind of configuration on it. The main configuration of the website is SEO, search engine optimization. Once we develop our website, there is a concept of one configuration called SEO. You will find it in all the platforms that we are using to develop our website, or if we are developing using code, there also the process of embedding the search engine optimization onto it. Configuring SEO will increase the visibility of the website in internet. When people are searching using Google or Bing, then it will come on the first page or first list. It should not be in second page or third page. To do this, we have the plugins in website developing tools. Suppose we are using WordPress, we have rank math to use for SEO, or we can use the Wix. It has got its own SEO portion where we can enter and configure the SEO. How it is to be configured, what to be configured, that we'll see in the next slide. If we want the natural way of promoting our website, then SEO is the right place. Whether you are promoting naturally or by advertisement is secondary, but SEO configuration is essential for all the websites and the app, because this is the first step where the search engines will identify, and it will guide us to rectify our website so that the promotion will be seamless. If we want to promote beyond this, then we can take help of another configuration, or another option is called SEM, search engine marketing. But remember, this is not free. SEO is free, but SEM, we have to pay, and we have to create the advertisement, and we have to give the advertisement in all search engines like Google search engine, Bing search engine, all other directories like Yellow Pages or say Just Dial, so that it will promote our website. If we are through with our natural or organic way of promoting our website, which is through SEO, and we are satisfied with our search engine marketing and ensure that yes, it is really performing well, then to reach to the maximum customers, maximum consumers, or maximum potential, we can use the bigger platform, which is called SMM, or social media marketing. Social media marketing, as we are aware of it, that we can use Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, YouTube, or Google ads, LinkedIn ads. In that, we can use these platforms and give our advertisement, give the link to our website or app, share the information of our website or app, or the products or services, and we have to promote it. But remember, SMM, social media marketing, is paid one. It's not free like SEO. But in SMM or SEM, you can reach to the maximum number of people very short time. You can reach to 1,000, you can reach to the 1 lakh, you can reach to the 1 crore. But based on your budget, if you are using the SEM or SMM, we can reach out to the maximum people, maximum potential consumers or potential clients, and share our products or services, or share, create the awareness of our product and services, or create the organization's values or website or apps information, then we can use SMM and SEM. But SEO will take its own time. You cannot reach to the maximum overnight. That is the only difference, and it is free. How it is going to work? Let us focus on SEM, then SMM or SEM next. How it is going to be done using AI. SEO, SMM, SEM, nowadays AI is revolutionizing it. How the SEO concept can be developed using AI. AI will guide us how the SEO configuration has to be done. AI will guide us what is that issues, what is that errors, what is that alert, what is the notification, what that are to be changed, what that are not to be changed. Everything can be identified using AI, and we can set AI into the entire process to configure as per our requirement. In the same way, We can develop the designs, we can develop the advertisement and promoting and make the automation in SEM. In the same way, we can use the AI in developing the advertisement, in developing the images, videos, content, and use different tools to automate our advertisement using AI in SMM, social media marketing. So, utilization of AI is maximum in this section. And it is essential nowadays to use the AI because it's such a vast concept where AI can bring it to the creamy layer of our approach. What to use, where to use, how to configure, AI will guide us. That is what the measure chains used by AI. How we can use the SEO for maximum optimization. SEO has got one option where it will demand the best content strategy. What kind of content we're using for our website? What information we have in that website? Whether that information is unique, whether that is written well, it is readable, understood by most of the users, and it is matching our algorithm or search engine's algorithm. So we have to make the content strategy. We can take the use of AI for this strategy. We can go for keyword research and strategy. The keyword section we'll see next. The keyword section is to find what is that wordings that are to be used in the content strategy to develop the website so that search engine will comply to it, search engine will match to it. It should match the algorithm. That is what the biggest difference in content strategy and utilizing the keywords on it than the normal way of developing the website. Third option is the on-page SEO configuration. We have the website, we have the content on it, we have used good words, which we call keywords on it. In that also, one more option is available in the SEO where you have to configure your on-page SEO. Means website will have number of pages. Say one home page will be there, another service page will be there, another e-commerce page will be there, another blog page will be there, another contact page will be there. So we may have two, three, five, six pages. So on that pages, how the SEO is configured, we need to ensure. The fourth one is technical SEO. How the speed of the website is, how the content of the website is written so that it will maximize the loading of the website, whether it is fully secured or not. We will see everything in our next slides. And the third option will be your off-page SEO. One configuration is on the page itself. In the page itself only, we have to configure the technical SEO. But in the case of off-page SEO, we have to come out of our website and see that how our websites are connected to other websites of similar type or related or relevant type. That is what the off-page SEO is saying. On-page is within our website. Technical is within our website. But off-page, when we are trying to configure, it will be done in the website, definitely. But in this section, we have to think of the rest of the cloud, rest of the internet, rest of the website. How our website can be linked to other websites, how our website can be linked to other relevant websites so that our website will promote in a better way. We'll see everything one by one in next module. And once we are done with content, keyword, technical, on-page, off-page SEO, we have to analyze it. We have to analyze whether my website is now properly configured or not. How far it is reaching to the customer, how far people are reaching to my website. Basic analytics and reporting, we can get it from our Google search, or we can get it from our Google Search Console. There are number of tools available, which is in advanced section, which we'll learn in next module. But analytics on analyzing whatever we have configured on our website is very important. And reporting onto that is going to help us in optimizing at the next level. Everything is nowadays using AI. Off-page SEO, AI will guide us. On-page SEO, AI will guide us. Technical SEO, AI will guide us. Content strategy, AI will guide us. Keyword research, AI will guide us. We have to input in such a way that AI will give us the optimized processes and configuration for all these things. And reporting will happen automatically. How we can do the on-page SEO? On-page SEO focuses on optimizing individual web pages to improve ranking and user experience. As we have already seen in the search engine, it has got its own algorithm to identify your website, crawl it, index it, and rank it. So on-page SEO is mainly title tag optimization, how we are giving the title, how you are giving the meta description of your headings or your images or videos, how we are writing the content, how the header tag structuring, how the main heading, subheading to subheading, how image is compressed, how we have used the image optimization processes, how we are linked from one page to another page within the website, how we are optimizing URL optimization. You can have the Prima link, you will have content discovery network. So many processes are there, and how we are using the op-page for the schema markup. Schema markup, it will give you the website, how it is structured, what is that structure of your website, what kind of content you have arranged, and how you have arranged, what kind of technology it is used, and content readability. All these things are important for on-page. If you go for technical SEO, improves website infrastructure to help search engines crawl and index effectively. This is very important for algorithm. XML sitemap submission. It will find how many pages are there for to index. Robot.txt configuration, because the website will be identified by the Google search engine, say, or Bing search engine, and they use the robot to the crawl it. So we have to allow which all are the sites, which are the pages to be crawled, or which all are to be indexed or not. So we use robot for that. How the page speed optimization, as already have mentioned, there are a number of processes which will know in next module available to increase the page. How our mobile page website is optimizing mobiles, how secure our website, how we have configured our certificate, SSL certificate, which will configure for HTTPS, secured encrypted process of accessing the website. Which are the pages are broken, which are the pages are we have already deleted, not used, broken links we have to ensure. How we are monitoring the crawl error reports, which are the pages having some kind of report. Canonical tag uses, we have number of pages, one page is similar to another page, so the algorithm of search engine will get confused which page to index. So we, if two pages are same, or if you have http www.xyz.com and we have https dot xyz.com, then it should have the unique direction to go to https instead of http. So in the same thing also for the page, if two pages are of similar kind, then we can use canonical configuration to map one page to the other page. The last but not the least, off page SEO. This is what backlink building. How here our websites are linked to other websites, other newsletters, other directories, other relevant websites. How our website is linked to social media promotion. How our links are connected to influencers. Those are having large number of followers or large number of friend list. How here our website is connected to forums and blog comments, different directories, brand mentions in different websites, how we are connected to podcast interviews or listings in other websites. So it's a very huge process of ensuring the off-page SEO involves activities outside your website to increase domain authority and backlinks. Domain authority means how qualitative your content is, how what is the quality of the website that will determine the authority of the backlist. And we'll see how we can get the second phase in the second module. In next module, we'll see the keyword research and strategy, and then content strategy, then analytics and reporting. Then we'll go for positive keywords, negative keywords, then how to use SEMrush for analyzing our website. Then we'll see SEO search engine marketing, then we'll SEO search engine marketing details and rest.